The way you look right now is not your ceiling. Most people think appearance is fixed, that attractive people were just born that way. That's wrong. There's a reason some people completely transform how they look without surgery, without luck, just through specific intentional habits done consistently. That process is called Looksmaxxing, and this is everything you need to know to start ascending today. But first, what is Looksmaxxing? Looksmaxxing is simple. It's the deliberate effort to look as good as you possibly can with what you already have. Everyone has a look ceiling, the best version of their appearance their genetics allow. Most people are nowhere near theirs. Bad sleep, poor diet, no skincare, all of it suppressing how good you could actually look. Looksmaxxing closes that gap significantly. No surgery, no extreme measures, just the right habits in the right order. But not all habits are equal. Here's the order that matters. First, we'll start with the thing you can improve instantly, your style. Clothes that fit, neutral colored fitted basics, wear black, clean accessories. You can improve this today and get immediate results with the way you look. You'll look more put together, sharper, more aesthetic, just by simply dressing with purpose. A watch, a chain, and a bracelet will give your outfits more personality. These details make your whole look intentional. Next is grooming. Use a cleanser, moisturizer, and SPF sunscreen in the morning. Consistent skincare beats expensive skincare every time. Sort your eyebrows, facial hair, and everything else that signals you actually take care of yourself. And make sure you have a haircut that complements your face shape. Now, your physical aesthetics. Ensure you resistance train 5 times a week, pushing to failure in your workouts, and do cardio if you need to drop body fat. Lower body fat reveals your jawline, cheekbones, and facial aesthetics more than any grooming hack ever will. Progressive overload every week, track your lifts, and rebuild your body. Finally, your foundation. Sleep is a non-negotiable, 8 to 9 hours every night. Eat in a slight calorie deficit with high protein if you're cutting, and a slight surplus if you're bulking. Cut alcohol and processed food to reduce inflammation in your body. These alone will visibly change your face within 2 weeks. Less puffiness, sharper definition, healthier skin. Nothing else works properly without this. Now we'll get into the 3 habits most people skip. Your posture. Slouching makes you look smaller and less defined than you actually are. Shoulders back, chin level, chest up. Fix it, and you look better and more confident instantly with 0 effort. SPF every single morning. UV damage is the #1 cause of premature aging. The people who look noticeably younger in their 30s and 40s are almost always the ones who wore SPF in their 20s. So start now. Teeth, brush twice, floss, toothpaste, mouthwash, and whitening strips. Your smile is one of the first things people notice. Don't ever neglect it. And that pretty much sums up the entry level of Looksmaxxing. Foundation, body, grooming, style, built in that order, done consistently, and you will not recognize yourself in 60 days. However, this is just the beginning. I'm dropping more detailed guides on how to improve yourself in every single realm, from money to lifestyle. You'll be covering every aspect of self-improvement that exists in full detail. Subscribe if you truly want to ascend.